Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can make a bootable USB for macOS Sequoia, and I'm going to show you how you can make a bootable USB from a Windows computer instead of a Mac. So first of all, you're gonna need a USB drive which is about more than 32 GB because Sequoia is quite a large file, DMG file. So, and you're gonna need a DMG file, a USB, and a software called Balena Etcher. I'm going to demonstrate step-by-step process to till the end and make a bootable USB for macOS Sequoia. So first of all, we're gonna need is the software called Balena Etcher. Just type in on Google, or I have attached a link on the description. You can check it out and just click on download Etcher and select the Windows and click download. So the download will start. Now you're gonna need a DMG file for macOS Sequoia. So I have software called PC Repair World, and if you go down all the way to bottom, and you can see the download link. So just click on download now. The file will start to download, and the download is quite long process, so about 15 to 20 minutes it takes. So once the download is complete, your files are ready. Now I have attached a link on the description for this website and for the DMG file. You can open it through the link, and I'm just waiting for it to be downloaded. So I have the DMG file downloaded already on my computer just to save time. Now I'm just waiting for the software to download. Once the download is completed, I'm going to install it on my computer. So the download has been completed, and you can just go into your downloads, and you can see Balena Etcher, then run as administrator, and then click OK. Just waiting for it to load up. So the software has been downloaded. Now I'm going to select flash from file, and the DMG file you have downloaded, it will be on your downloaded folder. Just select that and click open, and then select target. So we're going to select the USB drive we want to install the software on, install the macOS on. So I'm going to select, I have plugged in 134 GB USB drive. So click select one and then click on flash. Just warning sign, so click yes, I'm sure, and the flash will start. So the flash normally takes about 10 to 15 minutes, and then it validates the data. The complete process takes about 20 to half an hour, 20 minutes to half an hour. So just be patient. I'm going to pause the video for just so that I can save time. So the flushing has started. It has to go to 100%, and then the validating will start. that takes about 10 to 15 minutes as well. Now the flushing has completed. It has started to validate. You can skip the process, or you can continue to validate. It will take about 10 minutes. So once that completes, the USB making process is complete, and then your USB will be ready to use. Simply just close the window, and you won't show it on your. You will show it like this. You won't show any file size or inside the file. Just unplug it and then put it on your Mac and follow the procedure on how to install the Mac. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.